Guys, welcome to Tia's Kitchen. Myself, Tia's Roy. First of all, I'd like to thank each one of you, all my viewers, those who had given such responses and feedback for all my videos. Today's recipe is basically for kids because many a times we had seen mamas feel very difficult to prepare dishes for their kids because kids don't love to eat veggies. So today we are going to prepare bread roll with veggies, which will help mamas to get rid of such problems. So let's see the procedure. We had taken boiled potatoes over here. You can see bread slices, chopped capsicum, finely chopped onions, grated carrot, finely chopped green chilies. Here I have taken salt. You will use according to your taste, chaat masala, roasted cumin and red chili powder, black pepper powder. Now one by one we will use over here all the things. One by one we will use all the ingredients. Chopped capsicum, finely chopped onions, grated carrot, green chilies. You will use according to your taste. Salt. You will use the salt according to your taste. Chaat masala, half teaspoon, roasted cumin and red chili powder, half teaspoon, black pepper dust, half teaspoon. With the help of this tool, we will smash it. Now our stuffing is ready. We have to pour this stuffing inside the bread. How we will use the bread, just see over here. Take the bread, cut the edges of the bread. Then with the help of this pin, roll it. When we will cut the edges and roll it, it will become this type of slice. You can see this is very thin. I had cut all the edges and pressed it with the help of this pin. Now we have to pour the stuffing. I am pouring over here, and here I had taken a little bit of paste with I had made it with the help of maida. So I am going to roll it. The paste I will put over here. And close the side properly. Now you can see. Next I am going to prepare. Again we will do the same process. I will take a little bit of stuffing put the paste all the sides of the bread. Now press it gently. You have to lock all the borders. Both the sides you have to lock, here and also here. You can see I'm heating the pan, and one by one I will put the bread rolls over here and deep fry them. Now turn them to the other side. I have turned them to the other side. Now you can see we will wait till we are not getting the color golden brown. You have to do this in a medium flame. The color is changing. Hope you all had enjoyed the recipe bread rolls with veggies. Your child will definitely love this recipe. Please serve it hot with sauce. You can add many other veggies in this recipe if you want. If you want many more recipes like this, do like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.